Hello, everyone. It is indeed inspiring to see you back again. And this is Linux Fundamental Series, and we are discussing text editors in Linux today. So let me share my screen and we can start the discussion on text editors in Linux. Let us try to understand that what is the purpose of text editors. So in any operating systems, let it be Windows or let it be Linux or Mac OS, if you see that we need to have text editors. They are really important because the primary option to create notes, the primary option to work with some configuration files, to work with flat files. So you need text editors. That's the purpose of text editors which we have. Now, in case of Linux also, we have text editors, and these text editors, if you see, we have one as nano and the other one we have is as VI or VIM. So let us try to understand, discuss both of them, that how both of them actually work. So, uh, yeah, I told you the purpose. Like text editors are tools to create and edit text files, often for writing code, editing configuration files, or managing system logs. So, in case of any operating system, we require text editors for these purpose. Now, Nano is very simple. It is beginner friendly. And the second one is VIM. VIM has got two modes or two versions. One is VI version and the second version is VIM. It is more powerful but has a steeper learning curve, so you need to learn it in a better way than Nano, I would say. So Nano is easy, friendly editor. It has got a simple interface. On-screen shortcut hints are present and ideal for beginners. When you will open up your terminal or shell, there you just need to type nano and then the file name you want to work with. It will create that file as well as open that file at the same time. If the file exists, it will just open that file. So when file is not there, then also you can give a new file name and you can open up the file and work with it. And if the file is already there, in that particular case, you can just write the name of the file and Nano is going to open up the file and you can start writing the or editing the file. Now, Nano basic shortcuts shown at the bottom of editor. Here you can see. So Control O is to save the file. Control X is to exit Nano. Control K is for cut the current line. Control U is for paste a line. Control W is for search text. Here you can see the example is given. So the example is nano hello.txt and some sample text we are going to put over here like hello, this is the test file. Then you need to do Control O to save, then press enter to confirm. Then you have to do press Control X to exit. So this is how Nano works. Then we have VI or VIM. So VIM is VI Improved Advanced Editor. It is very powerful for programming. Why it is written that it is very powerful for programming? Because it allows us to write the code and save the file with the extension. Let's say the extension is .java. So it will write the code with extension .java and whatever code you are writing will get identified. For example, if there are predefined keywords, they will get a specific color. If you are declaring some variables, they will get specific color. So everything will have different color, which will make it very easy for us to understand that how the code is organized. So that's why it is very powerful for programming. Modal editing. So insert, normal, command, are the features. Then extensible plugins are also available. With the help of vim, you need to write vim and then file name.txt. Now, it works with three modes. One is normal mode. So whenever we start, let's say vim file name.txt, so at that particular time, it will start with the normal mode. And then after that, if you want to insert data into it, you want to write, edit the file, so you can press I, and after pressing I, you will be able to get into insert mode, and like a normal text editor, you can start writing anything inside it. Then we have command mode. So you need to press colon for it. So you want to save your file, you want to exit or quit from the editor shell. So you will use command mode. So three modes are there: normal mode, insert mode, and command mode are there. Then it also has got common commands or shortcuts. So insert mode, you need to press I. Save, you need to press colon WQ. Then this thing, enter. Quit, then colon Q, enter. Save and quit, colon WQ. So this is also fine. Like it follows the pipeline. It will save it first and then quit. If you want to force quit, then Q exclamation. If you want to delete a line, double press D. If you want to copy a line, double press Y. If you want to paste something, just press P. So these are the shortcuts which are present. So here we have example vim notes.txt. So this is going to create a file. If note.txt is already not present, then this is going to create a file. And then you need to press I to enter the insert mode. Then you can write something inside it. Okay, you can type anything inside it. Okay. Then press escape to switch to normal mode. So escape will bring you back to the normal mode. And then type colon WQ and press enter to save and exit. This is how you have to do. Now let's move ahead. If you compare both of them, then in that particular case, the learning curve is low because Nano is easy. The learning curve in case of VI, it is high because VIM is a little advanced. Okay. Then the interface, if you see, interface is simple in case of Nano, but interface in case of VIM, it is modal. Modal, if you see, it has modes. Okay. So normal mode, insert mode, and uh, then we have command mode. So three modes are there in case of VIM. It doesn't make it more complex, but as a beginner, it seems that it is complex. Like we need to follow some extra steps to do something. That's why it seems that it is complex. But I hope once you start practicing, it doesn't seem to be that much complex. It is simple only. Use cases, you can do quick edits with Nano, and the same applies to VIM also, but for more meaningful work as well, like scripting and coding, you can do with the help of VIM. Now, exit shortcut is Control X in case of Nano, and exit shortcut is colon Q or colon WQ for VIM. These are some of the example commands. Let us try to explore them. Now, let me go back to the virtual machine which I have set up. So I'm using virtual machine. You can use WSL or you can do a dual boot. That's a choice what you want to actually do. It's a choice with you. Okay, anything you can work upon. You can do anything on that particular part. So yes, INDEED is the password for me. I have logged in into it, and let's go for the full screen. Okay. Hmm. So open up the terminal. Yes. Now, if you see here, if I type, let's say ls cd desktop, so nano, and a new file we'll create, nano, and the file name I'll give as sample dot txt. Sample.txt I'm creating, and I'm writing this is a nano created file. So shortcuts are given over here. If you want to save it, Control O, and it is going to ask file name to write. Just press enter. So wrote one line. If you want to cut a particular line, Control K you can do, it'll cut. If you want to paste, Control U you can do, it'll paste. Control U, it is pasting those particular lines. So the options, the shortcuts are given here only, and that makes it quite simple to work with. If you want to exit, so you can do Control X. It is asking save modified buffer. I'll say yes, and it is asking which file name to save. I'll save it in the sample.txt itself. So this is Nano, how Nano actually works. And now, if I try to see how VI actually works, so VI is 1 or VIM. So VI s.txt, enter. Now, as soon as I type VI and file name and press enter, this is a normal mode. If I press I, this basically gets into insert mode. I can now start writing. Start, WRITING, start writing. If I press escape, it gets into normal mode. If I press colon, it gets into command mode. I'll say W for write, enter. It is written. Again shift colon, then I'll write Q and enter. So now you can see that this is how VI works. But if I try to write something, for example, VI and hello dot py, and here pressing I'll get into insert mode. I'll write print and I'll write hello. So you can see that it gives us, yeah. So you can see that it gives us a colored input. Okay. So whatever we are typing, maybe I'm typing, let's say this is print statement, and after that I just want to write if let's say true, if true, then I'm writing print I'm happy. Okay, and I'm saving it. So this hello.py, whatever I'm writing into this particular file, it is getting the color. So this vi is actually working as vim, so you can use vim as well for writing your scripts. And many cases you will see vi, you will get these things as black and white, and in case of vim you will see them as colored. So this is the benefit what we get with the help of vim or vi in some cases, and nano. So vi or vim are the same thing, like vim is vi improved, that is vim, and nano is the other editor which we majorly use. Try using them, and if you have any queries in these particular tools, you can let us know. Now further I will tell you that if you create a file with the help of nano, then you can open it with the help of vim also. Sometimes there might be a confusion that I have created file with the help of nano, whether I'll be able to open it with the help of vi or vim or not. That's not the case. You can open it. Now if you press double D, it is going to delete a single line. If you press I, it will go back to the insert mode. And here, if you just press P, okay, so now I need to escape. And if you just press P, so it is going to paste that particular line. You can see it is pasting the particular line. So P is for paste. And then YY is for copy. So what I should do is I should get into insert mode, and here I should write some new characters. And let's do escape and YY and then P. Now you can see. So YY is the shortcut for copying something. DD is the option for deleting something, and P is the option for pasting something. All this happens in normal mode. So I'm in normal mode where it is happening. Now I need to press Shift colon. Now I will enter into command mode, and now I can write W to save, and again Shift colon Q to exit. So we have seen that we can create a file using nano, VI or VIM, and then we can open that file with either of them. It is allowed, like either of them can help us to open the file. And after that, we have seen the shortcuts which are being used by the nano as well as by the VIM editor. So this is good enough to start with. Let me shut this down. What do you say? Will it shut down? Init 0. The answer is yes, it is going to shut down. And now let's meet in the next session. By that time, keep on practicing and keep on asking your questions and queries. We'll be happy to answer. Thank you very much.